Hey everyone, this is Blackjack here and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm going to talk about why I think blackjack card counting is one of the best jobs ever to have. Okay, there's many reasons why this job is really good, and believe it or not, there has been numerous millionaires from card counting. Okay, a lot of people make really good money with this if you have the bankroll for it, and if you do it perfectly. It's a really good way to get some money and also make it as a full-time income. So reason number one why I think this is really one of the best jobs ever, it's really simple, because it is actually extremely easy to count cards. Okay, and why is it easy is because it requires only basic math knowledge. Okay guys, so if you don't know anything about card counting, by the way, I will leave a link in the description that is a full tutorial on how to count cards. But basically, in general, it's just like a way to beat the casino by adding different values to the cards that are being dealt, and these values that you give to the cards are either 0, +1, and -1. So that means all you need to do, all you need to know, to be able to count cards is to know how to add 1 and subtract 1. That is extremely easy. Okay guys, it's really, a lot of people make it seem like it's so hard, but it's actually really easy to count cards. Also, with card counting, you don't need a college degree. There's a lot of jobs out there that require so many years of studying, so many different skill sets that you need to get to be approved at a certain job. This, you don't need anything. Like I said, you only need basic math knowledge, and anyone can actually do it if they want to take this seriously and to the next level. Also, it's easy because it only usually takes a couple of weeks of practice to count cards, or for some people it may take a couple of months. But yeah, usually within a couple of weeks or a couple of months, you can perfect your blackjack card counting game and start going to the casinos and play in card counting in the casinos. Okay, because it does take some practice, because you need to be fast with your card counting skills, because when you go either in real life or in online casinos, the dealers deal the cards pretty fast, so you need to calculate in your head really fast without getting mixed up on a count. Also, why it's extremely easy is because if you actually card count online, it's actually even easier if you have a card counting software. Okay, I have a video on that, and basically a card counting software, it literally does everything for you. Like, you don't even need to use your brain. All you need to do is to click on a couple of buttons and it will calculate the count for you. It will tell how much you need to bet and when is the best time to bet more when the count is in your advantage. Reason number two why I think card counting is one of the best jobs ever to have is because it is basically fun. Okay, like anyone that I know who likes gambling, or just likes to go to the casino, they don't get bored. Okay, going to the casino and playing different casino games such as blackjack, if you're card counting, it's actually fun to play. Like, you have a lot of fun. That's why it's called a game. Like, you're just playing either with friends or other people at a casino, and it's just overall a good environment and good experience when you're playing a blackjack at a casino. Okay, if you never went to a casino, it's really fun. Sometimes there's different shows that they put out. Sometimes they give prizes. Sometimes they do giveaways. Also, when you're in a casino, usually it's a really luxurious place, so you have all the beautiful colors and modern look to all the tables. And it's just overall a good experience. People laughing, people winning money. The dealers and the employers are usually really nice with you, and they encourage you to actually play and win when you're playing in blackjack. Also, what I really like about casinos is that you can eat and drink whenever you want. Okay, you don't usually have this in all the other jobs. Okay, usually in another job, you usually have a lunch break of like 30 minutes to an hour, and then you need to go back to work. Like this, whenever you're hungry, whenever you're thirsty, you can just ask an employee and they will give you out a drink or something to eat. So it's a really fun job if you want to go to the casino and count cards. Now, reason number three, this is in my opinion one of the best reasons why I think this is really a good job to have if you take this seriously. And reason why is because it is tax-free. Okay, Like, you will rarely see this in other jobs, okay? Like, usually every year, if you have a full-time job, you need to pay taxes to the government, okay, on your overall profits that you made throughout the year. But believe it or not, if you're counting cards, you do not pay anything, okay? Now, this is maybe not for all the countries, but most of the countries, like for example where I live in Canada, any profits that are made related to the casino or related to gambling, you keep it for yourself, okay? You do not need to pay a single penny to the government when you need to pay taxes. So that's why it's really good. And by having this advantage, it actually, in my opinion, gives you a stress relief, okay? A lot of people out there, you know, at the end of the year, they really need to make sure to manage their money well because they have so much stuff to pay. You know, sometimes you need to pay your house, your bills, you need some money, you know, to for if you have a family, you know, to, you know, feed your family, survive and stuff like that. And a lot of people, you know, sometimes have problems because they forget that they need to pay at the end of the year a portion of their income to the government. So, you know, a lot of people get stressed, you know, with money management and stuff like that. But with this, it's stress relief because literally every single dollar you make and profit from the casino, you keep it for yourself in your bank account, and it's for you. It's for you forever. So yeah, you just overall you keep more money for yourself, and it's really cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Why I think it's one of the best jobs ever to have if you want to take it seriously. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section down below. And by the way, guys, I will be creating a Facebook group, okay, because I really want to help out Blackjack card counting community. And also I seen that a lot of people have subscribed to the channel, so I really want to help you guys out. And also, you know, it's just gonna be a group where we can talk about card counting topics, blackjack topics, and just help each other out. So yeah, I really want to create that and just help the community. Also, I'm planning on releasing a course really soon, so stay tuned for that, because I know that a lot of people in the comment section have been having so many questions about different blackjack stuff, and also a lot of people have been asking me for more advanced training on blackjack. So yeah, I think a course could help a lot of you guys out. And yeah, once again, thank you for the support. We recently passed 1,000 subscribers, so you guys are amazing. I would never have thought that 1,000 people would have, you know, liked the content, but I guess you guys do. And thank you guys for the support, and I will release another video shortly. So yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.